Hello and welcome to Personal Trainer Academy, hosted by Total PT Fitness Software. Today we're going to show you how to set your defaults for your sets and reps for all of your fitness programs. Are you tired of typing in sets and reps every time for every fitness program? Of course you are. Who wouldn't be? It's tedious and it's time consuming. Today I'm going to show you how to eliminate that waste of time. When we talk about setting up exercise defaults, what we mean is that you can have specific sets and reps put in for every exercise based on the exercise type. For example, you can have specific sets and reps for stretches, and you can have other sets and reps for your strengthening exercises. Having your own custom defaults means you don't have to spend time typing that information in over and over again for your client fitness programs. Total PT Fitness Software is at this time the only software that we know of that offers this feature. Having your defaults set up correctly makes creating fitness programs faster and easier. So let's get right to it and show you how it's done. Exercise defaults can save you time by reducing your editing time. First, go to Settings, drop down to Exercise, choose Exercise Defaults. And this will bring up a window that will give you a variety of different exercise types. For this example, we're going to show you how to set a default for your stretches. Currently, we have it set for one set of 4 repetitions once a day, holding them for 30 seconds, and so on. Suppose that your preference is to have your clients do 5 repetitions twice a day and holding stretches for 45 seconds. Now that you've made these changes, save them. And now, any stretches that you issue to your clients will come up defaulted for these preferences. You would then do the same thing for active or non-resistive exercises, isometrics, PRE or resisted, gym equipment, and so on. By setting up your defaults correctly, you'll find that you save time and reduce your editing since all your exercise programs come set with your preferences. You only have to change any exceptions to the rule. For example, for a certain client, you may want to change the stretches to a shorter or longer time period. Thanks for watching. If you're a current customer, we hope that this video tutorial has made your job easier and will make it more efficient. If you want to be kept up with all the current training videos, be sure to click the subscribe and notify button down below. And if you're getting value out of these videos, we would appreciate you giving us a like. After all, it's free and it's easy. If you're not a current customer and have interest in the Total PT Fitness software system, be sure to check out the free 2-week trial. The link is down below. There's no obligation, no credit card required. And we also offer a 10% discount on either monthly or annual subscriptions. Both the link and the coupon code will be listed down below. Check it out, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next training video.